Want to lose weight fast at home without going to the gym? In the next few minutes, I'll show you simple exercises that are helping women burn fat quickly, and if you follow till the end, you can start seeing results in just 7 days. Stop scrolling. These home exercises are helping women lose weight fast, and you can start today with zero equipment. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy, effective way to lose weight at home, this workout is perfect for you. No equipment, no gym, just simple moves you can do in your room. This routine is designed especially for beginners and busy women who want fast results. Let's get started. 1. Jumping jacks. Let's start with jumping jacks, one of the best full-body exercises to instantly increase your heart rate and begin burning calories. Stand upright with your feet together and your arms relaxed by your sides. Now jump your feet out wide while raising your arms overhead, then quickly return to the starting position. Keep a smooth and steady rhythm throughout the movement. Make sure you land softly on the balls of your feet to reduce impact on your joints, especially your knees and ankles. Keep your core slightly engaged to protect your lower back and maintain balance. Breathe naturally, don't hold your breath while moving. If you're a beginner or feel discomfort while jumping, you can modify this by stepping one leg out at a time while raising your arms. This reduces impact, but still keeps your body active. Jumping jacks are excellent for warming up your body, improving coordination, and boosting circulation. They also activate multiple muscle groups at once, including your legs, shoulders, and core, making them highly effective for fat loss. Stay consistent with your pace and focus on controlled movements rather than speed. 2 squats. Now let's move into squats, one of the most effective exercises for building lower body strength and accelerating fat loss. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes slightly pointed outward. Keep your chest lifted and your back straight. Slowly push your hips back as if you're sitting down on an invisible chair. Bend your knees and lower your body while keeping your weight in your heels. Make sure your knees stay in line with your toes and don't collapse inward. Go down as low as you comfortably can, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Then push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Avoid rounding your back or leaning too far forward. Keep your movements controlled and steady, focusing on proper form rather than speed. Squats target large muscle groups like your thighs, glutes, and hips. Since these muscles require more energy, this exercise helps burn more calories and supports faster weight loss. If you're a beginner, you can limit your range of motion or use a chair for support. Stay consistent and feel the burn in your legs. 3. High knees. Next, we have high knees, a powerful cardio exercise that helps burn calories quickly and targets belly fat. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your arms ready at your sides. Start running in place while lifting your knees as high as possible, ideally up to waist level. Pump your arms in sync with your legs, just like you would while running. Stay on the balls of your feet and keep your movements light and quick. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise to support your balance and maximize fat burning around your midsection. Try to maintain a steady pace that challenges you without compromising your form. If you're just starting out, you can slow it down and lift your knees one at a time instead of running. As your stamina improves, gradually increase your speed. High knees not only improve cardiovascular fitness, but also help strengthen your legs and core. This exercise is especially effective for increasing your heart rate and boosting metabolism, which leads to faster fat loss. Focus on lifting your knees high and staying consistent for the full duration. 4. Mountain climbers. Now get into a plank position for mountain climbers, an intense exercise that combines cardio and core strength. Place your hands directly under your shoulders and extend your legs behind you, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, creating a running motion while staying in the plank position. Keep your core tight and your hips stable. Avoid bouncing too much or lifting your hips too high. Maintain a steady pace that allows you to keep proper form. It's better to go slightly slower with good control than to rush and lose alignment. Breathe consistently and keep your shoulders strong and stable. This exercise works your core, shoulders, arms, and legs all at once. If you're a beginner, you can slow the movement down and step your feet in and out instead of running. Mountain climbers are excellent for burning calories, strengthening your core, and improving endurance. They are especially effective for targeting belly fat when combined with consistency and proper diet. Stay focused and keep your body aligned throughout the movement. 5 glute bridges. Now lie down on your back for glute bridges, a great exercise for strengthening and toning your lower body. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Press through your heels and slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling. At the top of the movement, squeeze your glutes tightly and hold for a second. Then slowly lower your hips back down without completely resting on the floor. Make sure you're not pushing through your lower back. Focus on using your glutes and hamstrings to lift your body. Keep your core engaged to support your movement. Avoid flaring your ribs or arching your back excessively. The movement should feel controlled and intentional. Glute bridges help tone your hips, thighs, and glutes while also improving posture and lower body strength. Stronger muscles help increase your metabolism, which supports weight loss over time. If you want to make it easier, reduce the height of your lift. For more challenge, hold the top position longer. Focus on squeezing your muscles and maintaining control. 6. Plank. Finish strong with a plank, one of the best exercises for building core strength and tightening your stomach. Start by placing your forearms on the floor with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you and keep your body in a straight line. Engage your core by pulling your stomach in and squeeze your glutes to keep your body stable. Avoid letting your hips sag down or lifting them too high. Keep your neck neutral by looking slightly down at the floor. Breathe slowly and steadily. Throughout the hold, don't hold your breath. If this position feels too challenging, you can drop your knees to the floor while still keeping your core engaged. Planks work your entire core, including your abs, lower back, and obliques. Over time, they help improve posture, stability, and overall strength. This exercise may look simple, but it's very effective when done correctly. Stay focused, maintain proper form, and challenge yourself to hold the position for the full duration. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy home workouts for women. Comment below "done" after you complete this workout. I'd love to see your progress. And share this with a friend who wants to lose weight with you. Let's stay fit together.